Di ba na? Hi, I'm Leonard Junio, and this is my partner.
Hi, I'm Arnold Bonifacio.
We show to you on how to assemble and disassemble a system unit. First, you must pull up the cover of the system unit. And second, you must eject all the wire that connects on a motherboard.
No, 1% to.
Gusto mo. Uy, okay na ba yung sound center?
Sunod lang. I-ano natin. Test natin.
Yung
Sounds na.
walang testing. This is a Molex wire. This is a Molex 2. Molex 2.
Rolex 3. Ang bobo.
Next is this is a 24 pin. 24 pin.
And if you remove...
If you remove the 4, it's 20 pin. Ang galing pa to boy sa hard keys, sa CD.
Ang ganun mo.
Oh, dito. Sa USB connector. This is oh shit, apat. The power sa reset, sa LED, saka sa HDD LED.
And all the wires.
And when you finish to eject all the wires, you next to eject the ceiling fan.
Hindi, mamaya na yun.
Ay, sa labas na pala.
Wires, yung screw.
You must eject all screw.
Tapos papunta dito sila din bukas.
Yun. Bakit?
Gaganto.
Dito na naman tayo bukas. Dito na naman tayo. May kakainin na naman tayo.
Wow.
Dito nga tayo. And when you finish to eject all screw, dito ba yun sa likod? Push the button,
Push the ports.
the part of the ports on the back of system unit para maangat. To pull up the motherboard. This is a proper handle of a motherboard. And next step is to remove this pan.
Mali na ito.
Bakit?
Nilapag dyan.
Okay lang pa. Ba't kilaro din sa nilapag? Skateboard nga yun eh. Let's go na ito boy.
Hindi.
Hindi ito yung wire dun. Yung matanggal yung wire eh. Okay, natanggal na yan boy.
Wow. Hindi naman ito.
Tangan mo yung wire nito. Para mahanap po. Ayun. Next is to tanggal this pan man. Yan. Next step is to pull down the lock and slide to the right to get the CPU. Watch this man. Pentium.
Wait. Di man.
Oh, yan. Oh, yan. Oh, ikaw naman to.
And this is all
Disassemble of the system unit. Baganda ba? Landscape.
landscape lang. And when you remove all the parts of motherboard and all of the system unit, and next is next is assembly of the system unit. And the first is you must put this CPU in the socket of CPU socket. Naganda. Pag di pare, click mo lang.
Pag
Hindi.
makita.
This is the sign of proper
Ranging.
when you put the CPU in this socket. The next is the this pad.
Ayan, tapat mo dito. Dito. Hindi.
Sakit lang.
Ano?
Ayan siya lang. Tignan mo ba? Hindi pa ito. You push this to lock this pad of the CPU. Okay, when you lock this, and wait lang po. And this is for this.
This is for this.
Yun yung ano pala, hindi matanggal to.
Huwag na yan, boy. Kayang video.
I-usap na po ito. This is the memory card, and this is for
This.
look at that.
Look at that cut.
This is the sign for proper put. One more cell tanga. Go say that.
And to lock the memory card, push it up the button. Iyon. Yan. Next step is to put inside the system unit case the motherboard.
In
Ano? Vibrate ah. Cellphone ko.
Make sure for the screw, this is fit.
This is fit.
Sa subtitle.
Yung sa'yo. Next is to insert all screw to lock the motherboard.
And when you
Finish to
put this motherboard in the case, you will
the vice versa of eject
you need to insert the all wires when
that connects on a motherboard.
ano?
That connects on a motherboard.
Let's sabihin mo na.
Next step is to connect all the wires that connects on a motherboard to function it.
These 4 pins is look.
Parang Dora. 24 pin.
And 24 pins. May kulang dito eh. Para saan ba ito?
Dito. Just dito. This is the Molex one. Molex 2.
This is Molex wire for the hard disk to connect in motherboard.
Hindi mabutan. Labas. Hindi. Taas pa. Ang gitna. That is a Molex 2.
If you have a CD-ROM, this is for CD-ROM.
That. Okay.
The next is for
Wala na. Ito. That is for
USB.
Yan. Wala lang. Teka lang. Tumayo. Turun mo. Ito. Wala na. Upal. Tracker mo. Kumain mo. USB. Ano dyan? Ito USB 1 ito.
Read this.
Yeah, USB 1. JUSB 1. Yan. Next is to connect the audio wire. Audio.
Mercy.
Ito tinanggal ko kanina yan. Basta tusok mo na lang dito. Ito marami dito.
And this is for reset power. Reset switch. Reset switch.
Marami. Malit na. Malit na lang. Tusok mo lang din. Tusok marami. Dali yan. Hindi pagdusok mo.
LED.
LED.
Power switch.
Power switch. Saan ito? Ito sa mukha natin dyan. Yung cover na yung cover.
And almost done.
Almost there. And we done to assemble and disassemble of an system unit. Now close the system unit to avoid dust. Oh, no. Ikot mo. Papakita na yung pinakamukha niyan. Ay, finish na kami.